How to clear all cache in Windows 10 and 11 for a faster PC. First of all, you can press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type in prefetch and click on OK button. If prompted for permissions, click on Continue button. And here, you can easily select all files by pressing Ctrl or Ctrl A. And then you can permanently delete them by pressing Shift plus Delete, then confirm with the Yes button. Preface files store frequently used data, but over time they can slow your system. The next way is you can delete temp files. For that, again press Windows plus R on your keyboard. And you need to type in temp and press enter on your keyboard. Click on continue to access these folders. And after that, a new window will open. Again, you need to select all files by clicking on Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then you can press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Temp files are leftover data from apps and system processes that are safe to delete. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.